Do you know Don Diego Sanchez?
Yes.
Of course. And he's one of the men who stands.
No, don't worry. This is for the later. Don't
Who's
speak.
behind ambassador program? Wow.
One duck.
Duck?
Yes.
I want to see monkeys.
I want to see Mudeng. Only Mudeng.
What?
Mudeng.
Deng, yeah. Deng and monkeys. Where is Mr. Deng? Where is he?
Oh,
I think there are a lot of people who praying for him. Oh, Deng.
Yes, we need a mimicking of Mudeng on Polkadot. But maybe yeah, you know, the next year is going to grow. It's not going to be that cute.
Oh.
maybe
Very
it's-
complex.
yeah,
Difficult, very fat.
yeah. Maybe we need other one.
Wow, look at this.
More ducks.
Guys, wow, we have nests. Wow. What?
Be careful with the wallet, eh? This is like in Barcelona.
Why do you live in Pattaya? So, where is the vlog? Why I'm not filming? It's filming right now?
I think yes. We have to check later when we get to Mudeng. You applied to the ambassador program?
We applied for ambassador program as well as for initiative funding, but our proposal was rejected. Is it original Mudeng or fake Mudeng? I need to know. You've done it.
Hey.
Hello guys, hello viewers, hello followers.
Yes.
Respect and follow Double.
Oh. Look the cow. African cow.
This cow can destroy a village.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Very cool. Has no use. Hey bro. Hey bro, do you want to eat? Bro. Our chance baby. Hello Mr. Reno. Hello Mr. Reno. My fucking god. He's so powerful.
And you speak Thai?
No. You should try it.
You know about Polkadot?
I don't know. bro.
You know you can make a proposal to go to a bigger school?
Oh my god. Yeah, because it's the most decentralized governance system. The DOT token is in the top 20 in the market cap. You should try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top 20.
If you have DOT tokens, you can vote for proposals. You can decide the future of our protocol, bro.
You can make a Reno collective.
Yes.
Yeah, Reno collective.
Yeah, DAO, Reno DAO.
Reno
Nice.
DAO, Reno
Nice
DAO.
idea.
We can make a Reno DAO.
We are bulls, you are Reno.
Oh yeah, no more bulls, now Reno. That's good.
I see a lot of synergy in it, bro. Onboarding Rinos to Polkadot.
Yeah. Onboarding Rinos. This is the episode. We were to onboarding Mudeng, but in the end we onboard with friend Rino.
Oh my god. Do you know anything about meme coins, bro? Meme coins on Polkadot. 1 million market cap.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh, very
It's
good.
easy to buy on hydration decks.
Yeah, you have to stay hydrated, you know?
Bro, hydration was added on deck screener.
Yeah.
Have you heard it? Mr. Reno. Where is his another phone?
Bueno,
Was nice.
let's go with the monkeys.
We need to onboard every animal
Yeah,
species.
No, yeah, we come to the zoo to onboard everyone here. Yeah,
Have you tried Polkadot app?
yeah, it's true. We didn't talk yet about Nova cards.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk with the ducks.
Ducks.
No, I am not very social. I like in
Yeah,
the
me
tenses alone. I don't like to talk with people. Oh, I like more the ducks. Look, very beautiful, very dolor.
Why?
Look, this will be a very good crew of ambassadors. You know, the colors, the brand colors are already in. You know.
Yeah. They're Polkadot branded.
Yeah,
Maybe they received a grant.
they are already branded. Yeah, we have to talk with them. Who is the duck?
Inter Miami.
Yeah, who is the flamingo leader?
Oh, by the way, is Flamingo is logo mascot of Inter Miami, no?
I don't know. Maybe yes. Let's talk with the flamingo leader. They have to make the flamingo collective.
Bro, they are decentralized entities. They have no leaders.
Flamingo collective.
Their ownership distributed between holders.
Oh, but who are that holders? You know?
Who are the holders?
Yeah, who are the holders?
Flamingo token.
You think they can jump? I think they can jump here. You know? Yeah, like.
Oh, I know.
But they don't do it.
I think these
Oh, look!
boys can jump out. Boys are caged. Boys are smarter than them. Hey, Flamingo.
Look, that is a little Mudang Rhino.
Little Modern Corina.
Yes, yes. A little nice. 2023. Yes.
It's not longer.
No, not longer baby, no. You like chicken? Yes, you like chicken? We can get. Look, this one.
To eat, not to look at them.
Yes, we can take this one. Look. Look, go. Look, it's running. We don't eat today, eh? Oh,
Wow! Boy, smart.
sí. He's smart. Smart chicken. Chicken little.
He can't fly.
Look, very beautiful. Where are we going? You like to swing?
Oh, the block. Dot.
We are in a shower. Look, very good shower. You want to see the lion? Okay. Look. Hey.
work. Oh my. Living around the elephants. Things are right, big family monkeys.
Yeah, they live with the elephants a lot.
These elephants. I think you should go there.
More there?
Yes, because it's
Okay, so we go now
yeah, jungle.
to the dangerous part.
Danger.
No, this part is not in the map.
Yes.
Maybe
it's
we-
prohibited for us.
Yeah. Maybe we have here with lions or something like that.
Monkey killers with knives.
Brother, you know, if the lions eats you, there are not going to be more the dots. Will be only the dot, you know?
Yes, exactly. I irritate my tokens to John Manton in case of being killed by fucking monkeys with knives or angry lions.
There are already 2 or 3 monkeys trying to
Yes,
steal
yes.
our Nova wallet. Look at this. Look at this.
Still Nova wallet.
Yes, they need Nova wallet. They
Yes,
know that
yes.
they have now the Nova Pay app, and with that they can, you know, get the bananas or whatever.
They even have existential deposit.
Yeah, exactly.
They know how to do things.
Monkey!
Yo!
Look.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Dat is Moonbeer, eh? Moonbeer.
Beer.
Yes? We are searching for him.
Now, yes.
Yeah, we are searching for him.
Excuse.
You know that the initials of Chaos DAO, the DAO were formed with monkey NFTs?
Yes, X-Chimps or something like that.
Yeah, very cool NFTs. I entered the ecosystem because of that NFTs, you know?
Really?
Yeah, really. No, in part because I like it. That NFTs stands, all the things of Remark 2.0, whatever, blah blah blah. And you know, that was the culture and I like it a lot. Very good, very galore. The tigers are here?
Yes.
Yes, we'll go for the tigers. Let's go for the tigers.
We can go
You want to go across that?
through the mountain.
Yeah, we can go.
Yeah, because in other case we should
Make a proposal and if we vote A, we can go.
walk. Ah, okay. So yes, I submit a proposal to go through the mountain.